Hi Sudhiti,
Hi.
can you please share a few tips about influencing others as soon as we meet them?
Of course, definitely. I've often been asked this question as to how can we influence others, especially when sales executives, business owners go out to present their very important proposals or meet up with investors as to how they can influence them within the initial 2 minutes of the meeting. It's very simple. We just need to do three things. The first is research about the client as much as possible. So there are various sources from where we can find out about our client. The first is of course to refer to the person or contact the person who referred us to our client or customer. Find out from him or her what could be the need or the reason for this fresh contact with this client, or why could he or she would have reached out to us, for what need, for what requirement within their organization, which project they would like to be incorporating or collaborating with us for. Next is to go to the website of the client's company, see what all they've put out there. Definitely read the vision and the mission statement. It's very helpful. Also keeping up to date with whatever they've put up as latest updates on their website, that is very helpful. Going on to their social media platforms or researching about the clients or customers, LinkedIn profile, Facebook and Instagram if at all, just to know what could be the areas of common interest with this client. And this is something very helpful to bring up in the initial conversation, which we call the ice-breaking moments. And then finally, what the area that we can go and research about our client is that if we are interacting with an eminent personality, and if that person happens to do rounds of the latest news, then go and check out what is the media saying about this person, which collaboration, which latest project have they picked up, because from there could have stemmed their need to collaborate with us. So after having done that research, the second thing is to be ready, to be prepared, to present ourselves ready and in preparation for the part, for the meeting. So one should dress according to the occasion, preferably in formal attire. If it is a casual meet over the coffee in an outside venue, please wear informal attire, but still not totally casual. Formal or semi-formal is a good way to dress up. If possible, please use the colors of the brand of your client, because then he or she starts viewing you as a familiar element in his or her environment, and their guards or their hesitation in collaborating with you are lowered, they are lessened by all this. Then you should carry a positive smile, have a pleasant demeanor and a very positive energy and vibe about yourself. Please do not wait to get within the gaze of your client or customer before you start projecting this positive energy, this enthusiasm towards the meeting. Please be sure to carry it from the moment you step out of your office, and the moment you enter the venue, you should be bustling with this kind of energy. And the third thing to do is when finally you get to meet your client or customer, you should be prepared to listen. Please carry your patient listening ear and listen attentively. You can pick up a few words or phrases which your client or customer used in talking with you, and repeat those words or phrases in your response to him or her. You can also mirror the positive and the pleasant gestures or body language cues which the client or customer is sending across to you, so that they see you as being on the same page with them. These tips, these techniques are very easy and very simple, but they will definitely help you hit the jackpot.
Definitely, these tips are going to be very helpful. Thank you.
Thank you.